All right, hello guys. Today we are going to learn to um, do some drawings here to help us figure out limiting reactants. Okay, so just for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and balance this reaction because we all already know how to balance. Okay, so what's going on here is I have six, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 moles of C2H4, and you see we can tell that the carbons are the C's and those are the white ones over here. And then the hydrogens, the H4, are the black ones around. And then 3 oxygens, which are going to be these little gray atoms here, okay? And then 2 CO2 and 2 water. So this is a combustion reaction, by the way. Hydrocarbon with oxygen making CO2 and water. So we got to figure out here how many CO2s and how many waters I can make. So I look at my ratio in the equation. I see that for every one of these, I use 3 of these, and I make 2 and 2. So I'm going to use up 1 of these and 3 of these. Okay, and I'm going to make 2 CO2s. So carbon is the white one, right? And then oxygen is gray, which I guess I could do it with this gray over here. Oxygen is gray, and then I'm kind of going to have to go back and forth. So carbon, and then maybe if I use a darker color, oxygen, oxygen. Yeah, that's easier to see. Right? And then, so I made 2 CO2s, right? I used 1 of these, and 3 of these, and I made 2 CO2s, but I also have to make 2 waters. So water is H2O, and we know that the oxygens are gray, and then the hydrogens are black, right? So there you go. Okay, so I have 2 waters, but I still have more stuff to use up. I've got C2H4, 1, and then 3 oxygens again, and I'm using these ratios, right? 1 or 3, and then 2 and 2. So I'm going to make 2 CO2s. I'm going to come here and get my gray so I can color these in a little bit. So actually it looks like CO2. And then I'm going to make 2 more waters. So there's my 2 waters. Okay. Now I can't make anything else. Why? Because I ran out of oxygen. I've reached 0. So oxygen is my limiting reactant. It's the one that limits the amount of product I'm going to make. Okay? And then C2H4, this I have left over. This is excess. I have that more than enough. Okay? So C2H4 is my excess reactant. How much of it do I have left over? I have 4 moles. Okay? And over here, I made 4 CO2s and I made 4 waters. That's how we do that.